Ford has revealed the all-new 2023 Ford Transit Courier, available as EV and as petrol-powered van. The new van is bigger than the car it replaces, and now you can fit 2 Europalettes in it. The maximum payload is 700 kilograms, and the maximum towing capacity is 750 kilograms. The new Ford e-Transit Courier is powered by a 100 kW front-mounted electric motor and by a 62 kWh battery pack. Charging can be done via a DC fast charger at up to 100 kW, which can add 54 miles of range in 10 minutes. Using an 11 kW AC domestic charger, the battery can be fully replenished in 5.7 hours. Inside, the new electric van comes with a 12-inch digital instrument cluster and a 12-inch central touchscreen running Ford's latest Sync 4 infotainment system. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, as is the built-in modem that enables wireless software updates and always-on connectivity with the Ford Pro ecosystem. Guys, if you like the new van, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.